In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell digital products online for free. Now, I'm going to show you how you can create a store like this with a simple landing page with some products that people can interact with. They can click on them, they can read more about your products, and they can easily check out. Now, this is all set up with a free website. You don't need to pay a penny to set this up. Now, I'm going to walk you through how you can get this set up, how you can build your store. I'm going to cover how you can also create your product and market this to your fans or to an audience. So stay until the end and I'll cover everything and you can just take action and copy this. So what you need to do is go to a website called payhip.com. On Payhip, it allows you to create a store to sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and much more. If you go to pricing, you'll see that they have a free forever plan. You just have to pay 5% on your transactions. So if you're okay with that, click sign up for free, create your free account. I'm going to do that right now and I'll meet you on the next step. Okay, so once you've signed up, you can then enter in your store name. Now you need to really think about this. Although you can change it later, you want to kind of understand, okay, what niche am I going to actually be selling to? What are my products going to be about? In the example here, I create a page around traveling Southeast Asia. And I have created 2 products, which are travel guides. Obviously, you've got your own niche in mind. We're going to go with a travel niche again. So I'm going to call it something like easy travel hacks. Then we can continue and we can enter in a username, which we can use here at the end of the URL. So the URL to your page will be payhip.com/your username. So go ahead and click get started selling. Then it will take you to your Payhip dashboard. Now inside here, there are 2 things. You've got your products. And you've also got your store. So you can upload your first product, you can get your product page sorted. You're also going to need to customize your store to get your actual landing page looking like this, right? So if we go ahead and go and click on our store right now, and because we don't have a product added, we can't actually design our store. So you need to first go ahead and upload your own product and follow these steps. And you can then create your store and figure out all of the branding, right? So first you want to add your first product. So click here, then click add a product, and you can then choose what you're going to be selling. Most of you are going to be digital products, so click on that. You then need to upload your product. Now, this is where you're going to have to figure out making a product if you haven't already made one. Now, you can use the help of ChatGPT to create a product, and with certain prompts you can get it to basically write your product for you and also your descriptions. I'm going to use my example of creating a Southeast Asia travel guide. So if I go to ChatGPT and say like, can you create me an ebook about traveling Southeast Asia? It's then obviously going to write me an ebook and I can make prompts from there to improve it. So once you've entered in your first prompt, it's then going to write out your ebook. Now, this won't be a full tutorial on writing an ebook because I do understand that some of you might have your own ebook, but you can go ahead and write it through ChatGPT if you spend like an hour doing so and kind of like editing it as you go, giving ChatGPT new prompts. You might not like the layout, so you can redo the layout via ChatGPT and you can get it to change little bits, right? And you would obviously go ahead and put this into a PDF document that you can sell. I do have a video on my channel explaining how to create an ebook with ChatGPT. If you just go to YouTube and type in how to create an ebook with ChatGPT, my video then might come up. You might have to add KnowledgeBase at the end, but you will be able to find it. You can go ahead and convert your ChatGPT document here into an actual ebook that you can sell. So once you've got your ebook, you want to go ahead and upload it. So click upload product file and then obviously upload your ebook. I'm just going to pretend that it's this PDF here. We can click open and this will be the file that your customers will download. You can now choose a product title. Now I'm going to base mine off my already existing products. So title this however you want. I'm just going to copy and paste all of this. You can also add the price in whatever country you want. I'm going to price it at $57.99. And I would advise you add a cover image as well as potential videos. You can add up to 9 items here. Now, the more information that you give your customers about your product and the more that they understand what your product actually is, the higher the conversion rate. So do take time to create some of these. If you want advice on how to create them, I've got many videos covering how you can use Canva.com. It is a free tool which allows you to create photos and social media documents, and basically you can create graphics from templates. What I would do is I would create a design and I would go ahead and create one custom size of 1920 by 1080. And if you go to these templates here, you can type in what you're after. So maybe you're after like some info product, and you can go ahead and drag on these designs, which will explain what your product will involve. So do go and upload a product image to your page. For the video, I'll just upload this one and we'll go to the next step, which will be the description. Now with the description, you can go to ChatGPT, you can explain your product. You can even upload your product if you go here and upload your PDF file. You can then ask ChatGPT to write a description for you. So I would probably say something like, create a product description. And there we go, we've now got a description being written, which we can add in the description page. Again, the more you explain what's in your product, the higher the conversion rate will be. So let's paste that in here. Obviously, you would need to change the text here and obviously format it. But for the video, we'll skip through it. We want to keep this on visible, and we can then click add product, and it's then going to add that product. Now, this product will have its own unique page. So if you click show me product page, this will be your page here, and you'll have your image or images that you added on the left. It looks really good, right? You've got your description down here. And once you connect your PayPal or Stripe account, you'll have a buy now button as well. Now, one thing that you do need to get sorted, you can get the link direct to your product, but if someone goes and clicks on your name, it's going to go to your store, which you haven't set up yet. So I would recommend you customize this so you can get your store looking like mine, which just is a clean, simple landing page, right? So to do that, you need to go back to PayHip and you can go to store, and from here you can launch the store builder. Now I'll show you quickly how to use this, then I'll show you how to add your payment method and wrap this whole video up. Now on the store builder, it will consist of different kind of like elements and areas. So you've got the header area, you've got the collection, about me, and so on. Now I'm going to delete here the about me section. I'm also going to delete this header as well. So we've got the header, we'll keep the header actually, and we can then click on our collection and you can change how you want to display this. Obviously, if you have two products, it's easier to display. You can also mess around with the aspect ratio and the spacing of these products. If you go to add new section as well, you can also add these different banners and images. You can add featured products. This might be a decent one to add. And then you can then choose the product, your Southeast Asia guide, choose product. We can then save those changes. Now, if we go back here, we should be able to remove this top collection, or even if we can't remove it, we might be able to move it. But what you can do, you can start to play around with this, and you can essentially create a landing page with these features. I would recommend you create two products because then you can have both of them in your collection and you can have them side to side like this. Now, once you've created your store and you've customized it, click publish and go back to PayHip. Now, once you're inside of your dashboard, go to account, go to settings, and then go to payment details. And what you can do here is you can link your PayPal account. So it's going to pop up this window and ask for your email. Once you've entered in your PayPal email, you can connect it, obviously. And that's just a very simple process through PayPal. Same with Stripe. If you have a Stripe account, go and connect it. But apart from that, once you've done those things, your store will be set up. If you go to your store icon, it should then take you to your store builder if you want to manage that. From here, you can always publish any new changes. If you need the link to your store and you can't really find it, you can go to products, click on one of your products, and then that will take you to the product page. Then go to your home page, and there is your link, which you can copy. Go ahead and then add this to your YouTube descriptions, spread it around on social media, and let people know that you have a digital product for sale. You can even just link straight to the individual product if that is easier for you. I hope that quick video did help you out. Please let me know if you got any comments in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.